Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hello. Today's lesson is about common denominators. What does it mean to have a common denominator for two fractions or more? Here we have an example: 1/3, 2/3. Both of them, they have 3 in their denominator, so they have a common denominator. Another example is 1/3 and 2/5. One of them has 3 in the denominator, the other one has 5, and they don't have any common denominator. How to have a common denominator for two fractions or more? When the greatest denominator is a multiple of the smaller denominator, or we can pick the least common multiple as a common denominator, or we can apply the switch and switch method. Here we have the first example, 2/5 and 7/10. Here 10, the greatest denominator, actually is a multiple of 5, the smaller denominator. So we can apply the first method. How we will get 10 from 5? By multiplying 5 by 2. So 2 will be multiplied with the whole fraction 2/5. Now we have a new fraction for 10th. And now we can say that these fractions have a common denominator, which is 10. The next method is applied when the greatest denominator is not a multiple of the smaller denominator. This method is picking the least common multiple as a common denominator. My first denominator is 8, my second denominator is 12. I will list at least the 5 multiples, the 5 first multiples of both, and then spotting the common multiple. The common multiple here is 24, and I will multiply 8 by 3 to get 24, and I will multiply 12 by 2 to get 24. So what we will do is we are gonna multiply 3 by the whole fraction of 3/8 and 2 by the whole fraction of 1/12. And we will get 2 new fractions, and both of them, they have common denominator of 24. The next method is also applied when the greatest denominator is not a multiple of the smallest denominator. So how it works? This is done by multiplying the first denominator with the fraction, the next fraction, and the second denominator with the first fraction. So I will multiply here first 2/3 by 4 and 1/4 by 3. I will get 2 new fractions, and both of them, they have 12 in their denominator, so now they have common denominator, which is 12. Thank you for listening. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.